to another episode of Teen Gen Talks, where the goal is to empower the youth of Glendale and connect youth to community resources, individuals, and organizations. I'm your host, Melissa.
And I'm Desiree. And today we are going to be doing some Boba Keychain crafts. So yeah, follow along as Melissa and I create our own Boba Keychains. Start by doing the whipped clay mix. So this is the clay that we're going to be using.
It's a magic air dry clay.
Yes. So let me do that. Okay. Wow. This is really stale clay. I don't know.
So this should dry like really quick, right?
Yeah, this
Fast
one,
dry.
I think this one's fast dry, yeah, for sure. Are these the same colors? No.
I was worried.
And we're not going to use that much.
No. What
So-
color should have boba? I'm gonna make a Thai tea boba.
So you're going to do the orange one?
I'm gonna do the orange one. What boba flavor are you gonna
I
make?
want to do the blue one.
I guess it doesn't matter.
Okay. So our colors.
This is gonna be so fun to play with.
I know, it's so squishy. So it says break
Play
off
with
a
this.
few pieces of air dry clay and shape them into cornflake shapes. Oh, it feels like Play-Doh.
Yeah. It's not the. It kind of sticks to it.
Yeah, it kind of sticks. But whatever. Hopefully with the glue it doesn't. And then you're gonna get some like glue and also add
Why do
it
you
to
have
it.
so? How much are you supposed to have? I think that's too much for. Oh, you got the big one. Oh, it's supposed to fill it. Yeah.
Yeah, it's supposed to.
Yeah, right.
And then you're gonna have to mix it with this.
Wait for me, Desiree. Wait for me. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna wait just in case if it doesn't work.
Okay.
I'm kidding.
So yeah, then you start
Is this
mixing
in
it.
it?
I feel like
More.
yeah. I think you could do a little bit more. You're supposed to get, according to the directions, you're supposed to get like a cake frosting consistency once you mix it with the glue. So kind of like this. I don't know if the camera is like capturing it, but I'm assuming it's like this. See?
Maybe we should add white. Make it or like something
like do
darker.
two colors.
This is like I don't know if this is like a. This is like a bright orange.
Yeah, you might wanna maybe.
You know, like
Yeah.
I think I need to add like because it's a little darker. So I
think
should
if
add
you
a
add-
brown. Like a little
Oh
bit.
yeah.
To
Add
make
a little,
that
the brown, like to make it darker.
Yeah, that you know what, like that
Yeah.
color. I'll just use one color. Like this much, or do you think this is too much?
No, I think that's good. So we also have some parchment paper to create the piping bag. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be using. I like this. Then you're gonna fold this corner in. So okay. And then you're gonna take this other corner and you're gonna kind of tuck it in the back, like so. And then you're gonna tuck this triangle in here, like so. And then you're gonna have it like this. And then you're gonna take your Scotch tape And you're just gonna tape these two together. And then you have a piping thing. Okay. So triangle. So this corner A go to corner D, but not like you're gonna have to
like that. Like that?
Mm-hmm. If you want, like, because I realized, like, maybe make it tighter so that this is more like, you know what I mean?
Yeah, just like
or just hold it like
that?
Yeah, like that. And then so you're gonna take this thing, like kind of hold. I would recommend holding it like this down while you do this.
Okay.
Like that goes underneath. Yeah. And then kind of like see, and then this is. I think that's better to do it like together.
Oh, I see what you're
know
saying.
what I mean?
Yeah.
So then, but this I think has to be kind of like.
I was just gonna tape that over.
Yeah, just tape that and maybe make it, not too
not too tight.
Like there we go, because then this would be more easier to work. Okay. So now we have our thing. So we're gonna get our mixtures, and we're gonna scoop them inside the piping bag.
You can always put more in.
Yeah. I feel like we might need more.
Oh, I see what it is. Yeah,
You know what I
probably
mean?
need more.
Because I think like
Yeah, we need
way more, right?
Let's just. Whoops.
'Cause
Oh yeah, we need like this is not doing
this is not enough at all. Okay, we're gonna have to. We'll be right back because we're gonna be mixing more. Okay, my thing.
Huh?
My thing opened up. Whatever, it's fine.
Yeah, mine opened up because
Okay.
I was like.
It's okay. It's a learning process. Maybe like the consistency is like not in my favor right now, but I tried adding a little bit more glue, but I don't know. It's also not sticking to the bottom of this. Kind of just like putting it all over there. And I think this is around the time where you could put the little bobas in there. So,
Oh yeah, this looks better.
Yeah, that one does. So we have some little like bobas. I don't know if you can see it right there. I don't think, but here.
Oh, thank you.
I don't know how much. I think you need more than.
Do you mix it in?
It's recommended to put them like against the like kind of like outer part so that you could kind of see them.
Because it doesn't even matter if it's submerged, just as long as it's like against.
Like you could kind of like see them.
Oh, I should not. Ugh. It's supposed to be like. I don't know if I'm gonna have boba.
I understand. Because mine is like getting stuck everywhere.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna have boba. I don't like boba in my boba anyways.
Making it realistic.
Oh, I guess it kind of like.
Yeah. See the bobas, but like see those are some of the bobas, and yeah, you can't really see the bobas, but
I kind of wonder if
the thought is there.
if it's better to do.
This could just be a milkshake.
Yeah. So I kind of wonder if it was better to
It's
put
just
the
like-
bobas in before.
I think so, but even if you put them before, I think they're still
This is
gonna
so
get
thick.
hidden. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's so thick that, I mean, I'm trying to like kind of like, I'm kind of taking this and like kind of pressing the bobas like up to the front, but like it's still kind of like,
It's too thick.
yeah, it is very thick. That's the thing, but okay. Honestly, this is as good as mine is gonna get. Okay.
I
Yeah,
would do
so
this
like
again.
basically you have to nudge the like black pearls to the like edges so you could kind of see them, kind of like that. But yeah, like kind of nudge them to the sides. Okay, so now we're gonna, wait, are you ready?
Go ahead.
Okay, so now you're gonna take, I suggest hot glue and just like glue the straw in there. So also if you want, this is like very optional, but we got these at like the 99 cents and like they're like little like glitters or stars. I think I'm gonna do a pink one. And I'm just gonna top it off, you know? If I could open this. Kind of sprinkle that on top. Put the keychain, or attempt to put the keychain, because I can't get it to open.
So you have to open it, right?
Yeah, you have to
How do you
open it,
open
but
it?
like the thing is that it wasn't like opening up like all. It's not. It needs to be opened up more.
Oof.
You know. So this is our final keychains. You could add a keychain if you want or not. It is kind of a struggle. I had a struggle.
That's why I didn't do it.
Thank you for tuning to another episode of Teen Gen Talks where we did Boba Keychains. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and also follow us on Spotify or Apple or anywhere where you listen to your podcasts at Teen Gen Talks.
And don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at MyGlendaleLAC.
See you next time. Bye.